Enphase is at the top of Vanguard's leaderboard. It ended the day at $46.56, up 5.22. We are very close to 2 standard deviations, which I anticipate we hit. 46.72 above that at 3 standard deviations. 47.53 and another area of resistance and another area to possibly take your profits and run. 48.35. The RSI is getting frothy. I do anticipate a rollover. And if that rolls over, price will also roll over. Now to the south side, the middle of the trend, the baseline, where we can grind sideways, or possibly if we go from here to here, that is another potential buy-in line. That's support. Below that, at another level of support, a potential buy-in area, potential stop-loss area, 43.52, 42.72, and roughly 41.94. Looking left, you can see this was a clear buy signal, support, support. We wicked down and then bounced right back up. This turns into resistance, fell back down to support. This is resistance, a clear buy signal, a clear sell signal. This is close enough to resistance and a sell signal, and that turns into support. Let's take a look at this on the daily. It's been a long time since I've looked at this. Okay, we're up here. There's this gap, and to the south side on the daily, because you get different buy and sell signals, 40.89 is one potential stop loss area. The middle of the trend takes us to 26.86, and there's this gap that takes us to 10.46. I don't know that we're going to get that low, but the potential is there. The 52-week high on this puppy was $67.20, but I have been tracking it, let's see, as low, looks like as 30.22. 25.78 is the 52-week low. Okay, and what did we see up here when I was tracking? $305. Yeah, it's been all over the place. Now, the next one I want to go over after I switch it over to the 5-minute and reset with option R is going to be at the bottom of the leaderboard, or nearly the bottom. That's Team Atlassian. We're at 75.98. To the north side, resistance 78.12. 81.59. It should just stop right there. I don't think we'll go past that, but if we wick up there, the next level will take us to 83.35, and then also down the road 85.08. To the south side, another level of support, 74.54. 72.77 and $71. I'm tempted to put in a buy order at 71-ish or 79, or no, 70.99-ish. We'll see. But we are at a 52-week low, and that actually is 75.01. We're at 75.98. Could we go lower? Definitely. But the 52-week high is 295.91. This thing has been slammed down. I always see their logos on one of the Formula One cars. So they do a lot of advertising, and that Formula One advertising is super expensive. Let's roll this over to the daily. The RSI is going down. Look at this. I track this at 149.43. It's gotten slammed down hard. Okay, the next level to the south side, 72.54, and then 51.84, and then this closes out at 40.32. Will we go that low? I don't think so, but right now we are in a downward channel still on the 5. And I do like the signals I'm getting for a buy signal. The weekly RSI also still rolling. It has not rolled over and turned back up, so it will continue to go down, I think. And the monthly takes us to, well, the lines aren't on here because I haven't set it to populate, but this is going down still. So that means I think price will still bleed out, unfortunately, especially if you kept your shares up here and didn't get in and out. I've been taking a lot of trades in 2026. All right, so let's go back to the 5. Oh, and the 1-year price target on this is 176.71, which represents a 132% return from where we are. So there's a ton of upside potential. The problem is we're going to be grinding, I think, in this area for quite some time. So this is going to be years out to get back to 176, I think, unfortunately. Let me move this to 176 so I can track it. And 176 takes us all the way up here. My white lines are price target lines. Okay, it's going to take a lot of effort to get through here, but we've got a lot of resistance when we get to these areas too. That does it for me. That is a look at Enph and TEAM. Have a great trading week.